Hi everyone, this is Yuanliang, and this video is for the advanced topic presentation for IST719. Today I'm going to introduce a very amazing R package that we can use to do data visualization using geographical data. And that package is called Leaflet package for R and R Studio. So first of all, about Leaflet. Leaflet is an open source JavaScript library for interactive web maps. And by that it means, yes, you need a network when using it. This package is lightweighted, simple, and flexible, and is probably the most popular open source mapping library at the moment. It is used by a lot of websites ranging from the New York Times to GitHub. And also there are some other organizations like OpenStreetMap or the Mapbox. They are using this package to build their own geographical information system. And as we all know that R is very powerful in making spatial data into maps. It can do that with the help of package like ggplot and ggmap. But one problem for the map built with that package is those maps are all likely to be static, which means they are just images. It's totally okay if you are going to put images into a slide or a poster, but if you are going to build a map, sorry, but if you are going to build a map for any websites or any apps, then you might want the map to be interactive so that users can play with it by zooming or panning it. And the leaflet is going to help you to do that. The reason why leaflet is so popular is that it has some features that make it very powerful and easy to use. Like it works very well with other packages like ggplot and ggmap, and it can be integrated very well with R Markdown and R Shiny, so that you can have a better presentation of your studies, having a good aspect of interaction. And one thing we should be aware of is Leaflet do have a requirement of the data object. The function of Leaflet have an optional data parameter that is designed to receive the spatial data in several forms, and that includes the longitude latitude matrix and the data frame with longitude and latitude columns, which we can get from basic R. And also it can receive the spatial data from other package like SP package and map package, and which means you can use the map that was built from this package and to add some features from leaflet package to make your map interactive. And to show what leaflet can do, I made some simple examples. So the first example here is just a blank world map that you can zoom in and drag it to wherever you want, like New York State. And this is the very basics that Leaflet can do. And the way Leaflet works was layer by layer. It's just like what we do when we're using ggplot. After we have the basic map, we can add a marker with latitude and longitude. In this case, I was using the latitude and longitude of Syracuse University, and by running that, we can get a marker on the map that is showing the location of our university. Like we said, you need a network to use this package. Sometimes you just need a refresh of that. And also we can add a pop-up with the link of a website on it. And by running that, we can get a pop-up of our university location with a link in it. If you click on the link, it will directly lead you to the website of our school. And also, you can make multiple markers at the same time. And if you have too many markers, like 100 here, you can cluster them so that you will have a brief summary about how many markers in a certain area. And you can zoom in, the cluster just become more. And the next example is to show that you can add shapes on the map using the latitude and the longitude. And here I'm using the data frame with a couple of cities and their position and also the population. I'm going to use the population as the size of the shape. So here is the map we get. We have the we have different circles which represents for the population. The bigger population, the bigger the circle is. And when you click on the circle, it will show you the name of the city. So one great thing is that you don't actually have to use the Leaflet default map all the time. You can have your own map built by ggplot or ggmap and just use Leaflet to add features to make it easier to interact. And Leaflet really make it easier and beautiful to make a interactive map. And there are a lot of features that I haven't shown as examples. If you guys feel fun about it, I highly recommend it to explore that. And I hope you all learned something today. Hope you all to continue to do great job in data visualization. Thank you.